Welcome to part 4 of the VIL Getting Started video series. In this video, we will discuss the teacher view of Canvas. In this video, we will cover the course structure, publishing content, facilitator guides, grading, and the customization of your course. This is the Canvas dashboard. It allows you to view and select the course you would like to teach. When you select a course, it will take you to the home page. On the home page is a button leading to each unit of content. You can also click on Modules on the left side to view all of the course's content. Here we can see all of the information, content, units, and activities we need to facilitate the Digital Product Innovations course. All of our courses are structured in a similar manner. The Before You Begin section includes the Teacher's Getting Started Guide, Student Getting Started Guide, and a pre-survey. Era 0, or the first unit, is essentially a syllabus unit familiarizing students with the course structure and technology. Era, or Unit 1, consists of 3 parts. Part 1 is a soft skill, design thinking. Part 2 is a technical skill, graphic design. And Part 3 allows students to choose from 3 different projects to complete, applying the technical skill and soft skill they just learned. Each project is sustainability themed. Era 2 and Era 3 follow a similar structure. Era 2 follows the same format, with a soft skill, a technical skill, and an end-of-era project with student choice. Era 3 follows the same structure, and finally, students will complete the closing e-portfolio and post-survey, where they will summarize their work and take a post-survey to see how much they grew throughout the course. Publishing allows you to control what your students can and cannot see. You can tell if something is published if it has a green check mark. As we can see here, the Before You Begin section, Student Guide, and Student Pre-Survey have a green check mark and are published, while Era 1 and Era 2 are not published. Notice that the Teacher's Guide are left unpublished. That is because students don't need access to teacher resources. In this example, we can see Era 0 is published. Mission 1 is also published, along with the Student Guide and Student Activity. Notice that the Teacher's Guide was left unpublished. Let's say we want to publish and teach Mission 2. I'll publish Mission 2's title. I'll publish the Student Guide for Mission 2. I will publish the Student Activity for Mission 2. And I will publish the Student Checkpoint for Mission 2. If we don't want students to take the checkpoint, we can simply click on the green check mark to unpublish the student checkpoint. That activity or assignment will no longer be visible to students. From the student view, I can click on Era 0 and see that Mission 1's Student Guide and Activity are published, along with Mission 2's Student Guide and Activity. The student view is a great way to check that you have published or unpublished everything that you want students to work on in a given day. Before teaching a specific mission, it's important to review that mission's Teacher's or Facilitator Guide. Click on Teacher's Guide for the mission you would like to teach, and then click on the document. This will take you to an in-depth lesson plan with backgrounds on the course, unit, and specific mission you are about to teach. Remember, always review the Facilitator Guide before teaching a mission. At the beginning of each Facilitator Guide is the Course Introduction. This is the same for every mission, and it serves as an overview and review of best practices for the entire course you're teaching. Next, you will find the Era or Unit overview. A unit is a collection of missions, so this overview will show you which mission you're about to teach and how it falls in the larger unit. It also covers the sequence of missions in the unit, the why behind the unit, and common misconceptions students might have regarding the content of the unit. Finally, each facilitator guide includes a detailed lesson plan for the mission you are about to teach. This includes an overview, the mission objectives, materials and standards, key vocabulary, setup instructions, as well as step-by-step mission procedures guiding you through every piece of content and activity students will encounter. It's important to review this before teaching the mission, so you can differentiate and include additional resources as needed. As a teacher, you may choose to access and view the student guide before teaching a specific lesson. Remember, the student guide is the student-facing resource for the lesson, but you should also be familiar with all of the content in a student guide before teaching it. Students can complete the student guides self-paced and independently, or you could opt to present the student guide in front of your entire class like a presentation. You can choose whichever facilitation strategy works best for you and your students. There are multiple assignment types that students can complete for a grade. Student guides are worth 0 points. Student activities are worth 5 points, and student checkpoints are worth 4 points. You, as the teacher of this course, have the ability to change and assign point values to any of these activities. The majority of student work will be submitted through student activities. Click on a student activity to view it. In the activity page, you will find the instructions, videos, and resources for students. You'll also see how many points the activity is worth and the type of media the student is expected to submit. Click on the Edit button to customize and edit the activity for your own class. In the Edit feature, you can edit the text and change point values for the activity. You can return to an activity at any time to change the text or point value you previously assigned. Once you are satisfied with the changes you have made, scroll to the bottom of the activity page and select Save. To grade student work on Canvas, simply click on Grades on the left-hand side. This will bring you to the Canvas Gradebook. On the left, you will see all of the students. Across the top, you will see every assignment type. Here we can see some assignments have not yet been submitted, such as this student guide. Normally, student guides are worth 0 points, but you can change this point value for a completion grade. We can see that the student activity has been submitted and a 4 out of 4 was scored on the student checkpoint. To grade the student activity, simply click on the assignment and then click on Speed Grader. This will take you to a preview of all of the students' work. Here, you can leave comments and assign a grade to each student activity. If you have more than one student in your class, you can quickly jump between different student assignments using the Speed Grader. You can add a personal touch or additional assignments to Canvas using the plus icon. Here, we'll add a Do Now to our Canvas page. By selecting Discussion and New Topic, I can name the topic Do Now, and then have students discuss something before going into their module for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck on your VIL journey. Tune in to parts 5 and 6 of the video series for added depth and details on your course facilitation experience.